Hey, so let me tell you guys about what really just happened. So, I was at Best Buy looking for a new laptop. We just in the area, like the little electronic area with all the laptops. So we was in the area for like 30, 45 minutes. I was clicking on different computers. So I think I had finally found one that I had kind of liked. We was standing on, and I was just clicking on it. And then my mama had walked over. That was on my phone too, looking up. She was like, "Are you comparing like the different computers, like what's on them and everything?" I was like, "Yeah." And then at the same time, right behind us, it is a store associate who has been walking around asking people if they need help or anything. And I guess the store manager, which we did not know, he was like, I guess they was trying to get something. And so then while I'm looking at this laptop, another dude walks over to the laptop right by me. And remind you, this dude is a white male with a white daughter. The minute he walks over there, the store associate pops up his head and asks him, does he need any help? We both turned around and said, we've been here for 30, 45 minutes. And the minute he gets over here, you asking him if he needs help. Then the store manager pops up and say, hey. We don't want to do all that. Hey. And basically trying to take his side. And we were like, but we've been here for 30, 45 minutes just adjusting my phone, looking at the laptops, and he hasn't said anything to us. And he said, well, he's trying to help somebody. He's not trying to help anybody if he's offering this other gentleman that does he need any help. And then the man says, oh, well, you know what, if it's going to be any problem, we can get the police to escort you out of the store. We said, and then at the same time, we were like, for what? For what? What have we done? We're turning around asking you, why have you looked over us? That's what you have done. You have looked over us to ask a white male if he need anything, while me, a black male, my mother, a black female, are just standing here looking at different laptops. I guess we don't need it now. We don't have the money to buy a laptop now, do we? Do we? I guess that's what's going through his head. And then he says, oh, we can get the police to escort you. We said, beautiful. Please do that. The police officer, we hope, is our neighbor. Because we have a neighbor who's a police officer. We know many different police officers in Hoover. So please do that. So he might be able to come over and help us. The store associate goes to get the officer. He never gets the officer. After we said that, then he moves on. I pull out my phone, I start recording. I'll show you guys some of those clips later. I went live, and I started recording on my phone first, then I went live. And then this man tried to tell me, well, you cannot record me. I told him I know what I can and cannot record. I work in the media. I know what I can and cannot record. From doing vlogs, from doing stuff with the band, working on movies, TV shows, everything. I know what I can and cannot record. I record all the time. So after that, the man walks away. Says, well, you know what? I'm sorry for this, If you need any help, give me a second. I'll be right back with you. We do not need your help, sir. You basically racially profiled us, looked over us, and then threatened to call the police on us. Talk to us like we are a dog. Hey. Getting up, turning around, looking at us, saying, hey. We don't want to do all that. Why are you looking over us, and why are you taking this dude's side who clearly looked over us to try to ask this white male if he needs any help? While I'm clearly on my phone, my mother just asked me, are you comparing computers on my phone and the one I'm looking at? But you go to somebody else. After I know you can see, I've been walking around in this section for 30, 45 minutes. I was just trying to see if anybody was going to offer me any help before I asked anybody for help. And the store manager his name is Tyler. This is the Best Buy in Hoover. My goal is change, man. Stuff has to change, man. We should not still be treated like dogs just because we are black. We should not be looked over because we are black. This for jacket, or I got on sweats. Does it look like I cannot afford a laptop? My mother has on jeans. Does it look like that she cannot afford a laptop? Why look over us? Why look over us? And then why try to assert your dominance over us like you have anything over us? then threaten to get the police from the front door to escort us out as if we're done anything, when we clearly have not done anything. We are trying to figure out, why have you looked over us? I got parts of the conversation recorded. It's after that main part, but man, that really just, it eats me up to think that some people can still think that they can do whatever they want to anybody and nothing ever comes to them. White supremacy. Studying how the mind works, education major. Psychology of education, well, psychology, learning how students think, learning how people think. You start to, when you walk around, you start to look how people move and how people operate and start to see how they think. I can tell that he probably thinks he is superior to me. And I clearly told him, you are not superior. I told him, you're not superior to me. I told him that. I told him many different things. I did not curse at this gentleman. I used many distinguishable words with this gentleman. I let everybody know I'm an educated black man. And we will not sit around and just let everybody walk over us. Not anymore. A change will come. Starting with just telling about what happened, bringing awareness, getting people fired. I will go back up to that Best Buy many, many more times, especially after I finish my finals, many more times, just to see if he has been fired or if anything has been done, because we filed a report with corporate as well. And I just want to see if anything will be done. If not, I don't know, maybe these new videos will be my new outlet to try to make a change come, because a change will come.
He is actually helping a gentleman right now. We're trying to get into
How you gonna help a gentleman right now when this guy just walked up?
He just walked over here and we were sitting.
And I made a comment to him not to say if he can help somebody because he's already with somebody. If we could just get your patience, we'll be with you in 1 second.
What's your last name, Tyler?
I'll give you my corporate number in just
Please,
a second.
please, because I'm gonna report you.
Go up to the front and grab that officer.
Yes,
please.
Now, we won't be buying anything here, John, but we'll go to another Best Buy, but I want to report this Tyler. You know Hoover Police too.
Yes, we live right by him.
That's fine, guys. Just calm down.
I know.
Like I said, when you guys calm down, I'll get you an available associate.
We're calm. We're calm. You looked over us. You looked over us. Do you understand that? You looked up. Yes, I am.
No, I said, will you stop videotaping me? You're not allowed to videotape in a public place. In Best Buy.
Actually, public law, because I do work in the public. You can videotape in public.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Do you guys want us to help you, or do you not want us to help?
I would love help, but you look over.
Brother, just hang tight.
No, it's none of that. It's none of that.
I will help you personally.
You will?
Just hang tight. Yeah.
Okay, all right. I will help you personally. All right, good.
But I'm still gonna get his name, and then I'm tell I have two neighbors that are police.
That are police officers about this, and I can report this to corporate.
Sure am. And I hope he go get out. I hope the police officer is our neighbor. I
hope he is too, ma'am. Do you want my help or do you not want my help, man? That's all I'm saying. Look,
Okay, but
a lot of people here.
I want you to understand how you came off to us. I want you to understand how you came off to us.
I'm really sorry for the way that came off to you, okay? I will help you personally if we can all just take it down to about 5 levels. Is that cool? Thank you.
You need to start with you first. Starting with you
and ma'am, I just apologized. Is that going to be enough for you? Is that going to be enough for you?
You guys find everything okay?
No, him.
How can I help you?
We've been standing here for 30 minutes looking at laptops, and then when the associate right here, he asks him if he needs any help before he even looks at us.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
What can I help you with?
We trying to look at.
I was trying to look at this laptop and compare so I can get a laptop for me. I am a college student. I am in college. I am educated as well.
The big difference between that guy there and the next one up, for $100 more, that's a heck of a lot more laptop.
Does it have more storage on it?
More storage, more speed, all that.